Like, comment, subscribe. Don't be a hater all your life.
What's going on YouTube, baby, and welcome to the channel. You are kicking it with Kelvin, y'all. Hey, if you're new to the channel, baby, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you've been my subscriber this whole time, appreciate the love and support and rocking and kicking it with your boy. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, Lord, baby, I got my wife with me.
Hey.
Got the queen with me today, y'all. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this video quick, fast, easy, simple as possible as I can. Now, I'm driving while I'm talking, so excuse if it's a little bit of vibration, but we on the way to the tire shop. As y'all can see behind me, I gotta get some tires. If y'all watched my last video, and I'm gonna drop it down here somewhere, so make sure y'all go look at that. I'm gonna put it in the description also. So if y'all look at my last video of when I did my rotaries on my car, I showed y'all my tires are bald. I can see the air in them tires. So I gotta get them changed, y'all. So come along with me and my beautiful wife today. And let's get these tires changed. It's only getting 2 of them done. So the tires I already got came from an old set that I already had from another video. But the tires are still good, so I'm gonna just put them back on the car because these are messed up. So let's go ahead and get that done and travel on down there with us right now. And I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Let's go. Alright, y'all, Bayan found this place for me. Everybody else trying to hit me across my head because of what you drive. So we on Hope Mills Road, y'all, in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Tires are rust. So see what type of stuff they got going on. Hope you don't try to hit me across my head. So yeah, let's get up in here. So yeah, a car lot and a tire shop. Well, they hustling.
I don't know why
What size?
I just need the
these 20s
tires
right
put
here.
on the rim.
245, 45, 20. So
You need them put on?
yeah, I already got my tires in the car. I just gotta get the 2 back taken oof and put it back on there.
All right, pull it up here.
All right. Hey, can I do a burnout first? No, I'm just playing. Go too fast. Let's go to the other side.
Good, man. How you doing, man?
Blessed to be here, man. Can't complain. You think we'll get some snow?
Man, I haven't snowed down here for some years, man.
That part. Like they said last time, it's gonna snow, ain't nothing happening.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Alright, you two, like I was telling y'all, this the tires I had on my car last time. They're GOODYEARs. So when I had went with the Falkens, I just decided to go ahead and put these back on because I need tires bad, y'all. So I'm about to take y'all around the car and show you how the tires look. So there's 2 of them right there, but as you see, look at this. Look at that tire. What the fuck? Boy, you see that? God damn. What in the world, boy? I told you can see the air in that tire. Yeah, that's the one from the passenger side. And he taking the driver's side off. But again, if y'all have not looked at my last video, make sure y'all go look at it. Got new rotors and brakes all the way around. I want to say these are directional tires too.
All with down in his own tires, 245, 45.
How you doing?
I'm all right, how are you?
I'm blessed to be here, can't complain.
Damn.
Good God. How your daddy said?
You couldn't
That's
even.
a Maypop.
You couldn't even do a.
Boy, you did a burnout thing with a bus.
Okay.
Good Lord. I thank God for getting here safely, boy.
That part.
That tire's gone.
Yes, ma'am. It's gone.
Where the power is in that rim.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
If you're not doing burnouts.
See, that's a long story. I was at a cookout one day and somebody was like, "Let me hear it one time." Stupid me.
You did it.
Yeah, I did. Did a little bit too much. You gotta get some tires for your car too.
I don't know the size of my tires.
The thing about it, your back don't need none, it's your front. So you just need two, honestly.
I just want to get brand new ones. All the day.
So she can get over it.
Exactly.
This don't take that one off too. They all the same. You got anything to say, baby?
Hey, YouTube. Keep rocking and kicking it with my boy.
You got my dang on nerves.
Like, comment, subscribe. Don't be a hater all your life.
Y'all see what I deal with, but I love it though. I wouldn't trade it for nothing, but I swear. Hey, this tire right here had it, you two. Look at this. Ooh, that tire gone, boy. I thought mine was bad.
How many layers of tire got?
Let me see, you got the first route, second route, then you got the wires, the tread.
So the tread is considered what level? Third level?
The tread is the outside level. This is tread right here. Oh, that's tread. That's your tread.
Well, I'm talking about when it gets to like that metal shit.
The metal is the wires that's underneath the tread.
Oh, okay.
And then you got the band in the tire too. If that band pop, it can make your tire bulge out.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get my jacket.
I didn't bring my jacket.
Jesus. Here you go, baby. I'll give you a jacket.
I'm a thug. You got two of them?
Yeah, you a thug till you someone barking.
You got two of them?
I'm gonna give you my big one.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Yes, ma'am. Make sure you straight. I gotta change the oil too. I got oil back there. I'm probably do another video on that YouTube. Us changing the oil. Show y'all boys how to do something, work with y'all cars and stuff. They y'all know how to do too much. While they doing my tires, I'm gonna bring y'all over to the little car lot they got beside it. Cause the little Tahoe right here.
I don't think that's for sale. I think that's her car.
Oh, damn. I'm about to say my woman need a new truck.
Okay, that thing clean too.
Hey, I'll take that ride around the neighborhood, I swear.
Close. Hello.
Ain't nobody in there. Might be all they stuff. Don't you use the drive?
Hey,
Is that
you got the car lot too?
My husband does.
Oh, okay. Is that Tahoe for sale?
My husband.
Oh.
How much you want for it?
It's not for sale.
Oh, it's not for sale.
He might say, well, I don't know. Around here, we never say never.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that Tahoe nice.
Mm-hmm. Gee, that's a whole lot better. YouTube got some tread now. We got some tread.
Just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why.
Hey, shit, take care of you inside, man.
All right. All right, we back.
Not a problem.
Oh, these must be the six.
You remember?
What brand did you put on your car?
GOODYEARs. They're my old tires. I had them already, and I had switched and got me a full set. And then that night I'll tell you about I had did a little burnout. Yeah, ate them up. So the front perfect. It's just the back.
So okay, so you kept your old ones and
Yes, ma'am.
Put them out.
Out of the whole four that I had, the ones in the front was perfect. The other one was gone.
Yeah, that happens.
Oh, look at the little kitty. It's 4 or 5.
Oh, there's about 10 or 11.
Oh Lord.
Neighborhood cats.
They became my cats.
Oh, okay.
Once I started feeding them.
They just stay over here now.
Yeah, they ain't hardly going nowhere.
And that's what you call warm.
Huh?
I said that's what you call warm.
It's a little chilly out there.
Lord, yes. They say it's supposed to snow. I don't believe it. If it do, then hey, it is what it is. But I don't think it will.
They're getting better at doing the predictions.
Yeah.
The computers are doing that.
Right.
No, that's because you don't see what we see.
They need to stop trying to tell God what to do.
Huh?
They need to stop trying to tell God what to do.
That part.
It's all the stuff they sell.
What's the front?
Gidrin, GID.
$50, my friend.
See, y'all do a SEMA and all that stuff here too?
Huh? All right.
Do what?
A SEMA and all that?
Osima, Snap.
I ain't never heard of Snap. What's Snap?
Snap has been around longer than Osima.
I never
Snap.
heard of them. How much I owe you? I'm sorry.
She said 50, baby.
50. Okay. Look, YouTube, if y'all don't got the money to get y'all tires and stuff, they do this also. So if you need any tire work done to your car, remember I told you at Hope Mills, they got a SEMA, they got something called Snap. Not the Snap that we be on, y'all. So it's another Snap. This to help y'all for people that's low in the pocket and don't have the dime right now. You can make sure you know.
Be straight.
Oh, sign it.
I got my baby food.
Thank you, sweetie.
Thank you.
You bet. Oops.
Sorry. You over there showing off. YouTube, y'all ain't never seen no wallet like that. Custom made. I love it. I love it. Thank you.
So, how long have you been doing YouTube?
Honestly, about 1.5 years, but actually doing it consistently 1 year.
Okay.
So, yeah, I had stopped for a little bit, but then I got back to it. So yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We do travel videos, car vlogs like we doing now. Motivational speaking, and also food vlogs also.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who do the cooking?
We play a little bit in the area, but mostly my wifey. You know?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
I'm still learning.
Very well, then.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
Yep.
All right, sweetie.
Thank
Y'all have a
you.
good one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Alright, YouTube. We up out of here, right?
Bring your fine ass on, girl. All right.
That was quick and easy.
Quick, easy, simple. All right. Get the stuff up off me.
Yeah, we just let the trash bag right there.
He'll throw it. He probably need it for something.
He gonna leave them bitches there.
Yeah, he probably need it for
Come by
something.
next time, he gonna be still sitting there. Wait.
Y'all see how she be talking junk? I told y'all don't know the half. I keep telling you. Y'all don't know the half. But my wife be cutting up, son. She always got something to say about somebody.
I'm just saying.
Alright, YouTube, so let's see how the tires ride. Make sure he balanced them and everything, so. And to the guy that put my tires on, if you're looking at the video, appreciate you, my boy. Did a good job, man. Appreciate you. See how I ride. Okay, about 45, 50, doing pretty good. Well, YouTube, the tires are on there now. The car's riding fine. So we back rolling, y'all. We back into it. So I just want y'all to come with me and get my tires put on for the day with me and my wife. So if you ain't hit that subscribe button yet, man, please hit that subscribe button so you can make sure you can get all this good content.
What you waiting on?
So you can get all this good content when we drop it, man. And I make sure I see y'all on the next video after that. Bling, blah, wow, baby. Y'all be safe out there. Boom.